Puss, see ya, Puss. Puss, see ya. See your dirty blood clot. There's a hag. Eh? Me a blood woman. Come on for me live. Come on for me blood clot like dirty woman. Come on for me live. Come on for me blood clot like dirty woman. Me have some blood clot something. Dirty woman. Let me tell you something, germs. Let me give you a few blood clot remedy. Eh? You can't have some stupid blood clot question. Woman, you can't have some blood clot stupid question. Let me tell you something, dirty woman. Ask any task when my blood clot come from one other gang place. A task when me come from, me tell you something, dirty woman. A task when my blood clot come from one other gang blood clot place. Task pain in a blood clot Spanish town. Me come from more than a gang blood clot. Please. Task pain, my blood clot come from. Me say me come from task pain. One other gang blood clot place me come from, and you know say one day just blood clot bad place. I'm tell you that is some dark shit. Me not take no time. Cause my body not sit, my body clean. Make me tell you blood clot. So when me at 20, me come a foreign germs. And when me at 20, my blood clot come a foreign dark shit. Now 2009, me at 20, me at 23. When it time if you get blood clot for rape pitney. Hey. You hear this woman here cut out? Oh, they saw me rape pitney. The lady me could have come rape pitney. Me baby, me love cocky in my battle. Unless I pity that rape me, sweetie. Cause me love cocky in my ass. And the pitney would that rape me. Cause me like a bubble pan cocky. You understand me? Lady, don't tell no lie for me. Do not tell no lie for me, lady. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something, dirty woman. When me that blood clot, when me that 20 blood clot, yes, I'm working a blood clot Spanish town. I work me in Spanish town, work and then blood clot beat me. I never go back to Spanish town because me say me a dog foreign dirty woman. Me that go foreign, so me have blood clot go back. I mean, do blood clot go back, go look for my blood clot before me left dirty woman. You think say a blood clot fucker place me come from, a bad blood clot place me come from. You crazy about rape? You crazy? You mad? Well, prove that you're crazy. You're crazy. How if you go rape Pitney? I mean, I get blood clot abuse from me at 10 years old. Bye, bitch. Bye. Bye. Bye, bitch. Bye. It's not your time, sweetie. It's not your time, darling. Unless if you never rape me, because me like take fucking on my bottom. I mean, like to suck dicks. Unless if you rape blood clot me. Bitch, bye. It's not your time, baby. Come back. We might not come back again. You're fucking crazy, bitch. Like, what the fuck? You never can use. Let me tell you something, nigga. All you bitches is coming for me because you don't know nah blood clot win. All you bitches is coming for me because you're not winning, baby. And sweetie, let me tell you something. You guys using a lot of things. You guys using a lot of fucking things to take me down, bitch. That can never take me down. That can never take me down, baby. Fuck you, nigga. What can take me down? What? Like, what the fuck, bitch? What the fuck? What the fuck, bitch? That can never take me down, sweetie. That can never take me down. Rape what kind of kids? And you put me rape. Tell me now. After me at 20, become here, so I will get time for rape. I mean, I get beat up from me at 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, blood clot 20. And since me at 20, me stop get beaten. Eh? Since me a blood clot 20, me stop get beaten. So rape what kind of pitney? Dirty woman, nasty woman, rape what kind of opinion since me a blood clot 20 me start get me. I get me from me at 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. And blood clot 20. Woman, me have me blood clot. Go suck your mother. Woman, go suck your mother. Me have me proving that my blood clot. What I want you can do. Eh? I don't know your time, and you can't skip the argument. We are talking about big dirty blood clots, so I post. Dirty puss will live over London. Puss, wait now, me go come to London soon. Wait till me get my blood clot passport, big hag. Me go carry some blood clot latest for your dirty blood clot. Me go carry some carrot for your dirty blood clot because you are hag. Me a come to London, because me go bring one bag of lettuce for you, one bag of cabbage, and one bag of blood clot carrot. Move your dirty blood clot. Dirty nasty puss. Puss live England and puss cannot come out. Puss cannot come out. Puss big and cranny and sting the blood clot. Puss big and cranny and sting. Me say when puss got Jamaica, my love. Miss puss. Puss. Let me show no puss. Come on, I'm going to come up on my phone and come back. What's my next phone there? What's my next phone? Let me go for my next blood clot phone. Go for my next phone. I'm showing a dirty puss. I'm showing a big blood clot stay bad puss. Puss! Big dirty black hag. Remember say when you go a blood clot Jamaica in the airport, dirty puss. Big dirty black hag. Remember say when you in the blood clot airport you go Jamaica, dirty puss. When you go Jamaica and the penis see your puss, hold on. I go for puss, I'll show you puss. Hold on. I go
quite a bit lately.
But more I say this, yes, but what is the guy last name? And the guy